Welcome to the Kit Stop for Schools video showing the details of using our hydraulic truck kit. The main objective of this video is to help teachers quickly gain a familiarity with our hydraulics kits and then allow you to consider how best to incorporate them into your STEM curriculum. A few objectives for this video are listed here. This video assumes that teachers will have separately watched our video on demonstrating and measuring friction forces in the syringes. This is one of a group of videos related to our hydraulics kits. Links to our other videos are included in the description section below. Before we begin, we'd like to remind viewers that this video uses definitions and some common techniques which have been introduced in the earlier video. That video also explains the importance of compensating for frictional losses in these activities. This video covers 6 main topics. Let's quickly talk about the construction of the kits. The hydraulics kits come with detailed pictorial instructions that give step-by-step guidance to students. Each kit also includes a list of extra resources required but are not included within the kit. Our formal recommendation is to use PVA glue and paper clips to hold the joints while they dry. However, this then does require an overnight break to allow the PVA to set. We also recommend having access to damp cloths for each student to aid with cleanup. We have seen some students use hot glue and other adhesive tape, while others have used glue sticks like Bostik glue stick. Each of these have different merits and challenges. This slide gives our thoughts on comparisons of advantages and disadvantages of each different technology. We leave each teacher to decide what best suits their class and their plans. Another minor challenge for your students will be when students wish to test the trucks as levers, they'll find that the weights being used as a load will slide away from the desired position. 2 suggestions that we have seen used are: 1. Build a small cradle which can be held in place, or 2. Use a series of pegs to hold the loads. Here we are setting up to conduct a test of driving force versus load. The compensation for the dynamic friction is first applied. Please refer to that prior video on finding and measuring the friction forces. Starting point for this load is 53 millimeters above the ground. The load is 14 coins, or more realistically 130 grams. The torque required from the lifting syringe can be calculated by students if desired. The driving force is found to be 4 coins, or approximately 40 grams. The finishing point for the truck load is now 78 millimeters above the ground, so the vertical displacement is 25, and from here you can derive the work done in lifting this weight. Repeat the marking and measuring for the driving displacement. It is possible, of course, then to calculate the work which has been done by both syringes. A quick comparison of the two is within reasonable tolerances of each other, as the theoretical science suggests. There are several other examples which could be done using these resources. Here are a few suggestions for extension activities using these hydraulics resources. Kits for each of the models which are shown here are available from us. We're also very happy to work with individual schools to establish what they want and package up for their individual school needs. We know that many schools already have supplies of various resources. For pricing, availability and more information on any of the kits here, plus any other kits that we offer, please visit our website or drop us an email. Links to our website and our email contacts details are all listed below. Thanks for watching this. We look forward to hearing from you and working to deliver the best resources for your students' needs.